So I stopped in the last video at number 20, and I want to go ahead and give you an example in numbers 21 through 24. In this group of problems, you have two proportions equal to each other, or two ratios equal to each other. So you're just going to solve this like you would solve a proportion. You're just going to cross multiply in order to solve each of these. So let's just do one of these, for example. Let's say we do 22 together. So if I cross multiply in 22, we could say x plus 6 times x plus 7. And then, so that's the first one. Then we're going to set that equal to 7 times 3, which is 21. Okay. So next, what we're going to want to do is we're just going to want to distribute this through. So we'll FOIL x plus 6 and x plus 7. So x times x is x squared. X times 7 is 7x. And then we'll do the inner. So 6 times x is 6x. And then 6 times 7 is 42. And that equals 21. So I have x squared plus 7x plus 6x plus 42 equals 21. Now I'm going to combine these two like terms right here. It's going to be x squared plus 13x plus 42 equals 21. Okay, and then next, we're just going to want to get everything on the same side. So we're going to subtract 21. This is x squared plus 13x. 42 minus 21 is 21, and that equals 0. So we want to find the factors of 21 that add up to 13. So let's go ahead and list the factors of 21. They are 1 and 21, and 3 and 7. Notice none of those add up to 13, so you're going to need to use the quadratic formula for this one. So you can have x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So let's just go ahead and plug in our a, b, and c. So let's start with b. So b is 13. This is negative 13 plus or minus the square root of 13 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 21, all divided by 2 times 1. And then next, we're just going to simplify. We're just going to simplify this. So this is x equals negative 13 plus or minus the square root of 169 minus 4 times minus 84. So negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Negative 4 times 21 is 84. So it's going to be 84 all over 2, because just 2 times 1 is just 2. And then we'll simplify a little bit further. This will be x equals negative 13 plus or minus the square root of 85 divided by 2. So there is no way that we can reduce the square root of 85. So we're just going to leave this as our answer. So negative 13 plus or minus the square root of 85 all divided by 2. And that's basically how you're going to do 21, 22, 23, and 24. You're just going to cross multiply, and then you're going to need to simplify at the very end.